So promise deliver, guys. Right here I have a real pair and a fake pair to do this how to legit check your good for Bred Reimagined, because like I told you, there will be a lot of people out there trying to sell the fakes as the real, and I don't want you to get scammed. So on today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to legit check this shoe, how to differentiate the real from the fake, which is the real, which is the fake. It's kind of crazy, but on today's video, we're gonna know what it is, man. So before we go into this crazy comparison, please let me ask you to go and hit the thumbs up if you're liking the content. Also go and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Activate the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, which is every single day, guys. So go follow me on my Instagram and on TikTok as Jason J Kicks. And now, let's begin this video. Okay, so let's go with this. Right here, I have the real pair, and right here, I have the fake pair. As you already know, I have two pairs of these. Let me show you. This is my other retail pair, but I'm only going to use this one because, you know, we don't have to do that much just to show you the differences between the real and the fake. So let's go into that, guys. First, let me show you the boxes, guys. Sometimes we can find differences right there on the boxes as well. So let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. I can see that the gray on this box is a bit more clear than the one on the retail. Let me know if you can notice that right there. Also, the retail box is taller. You can see that clearly right there. Also, you can see the color difference right here on this side. So yes, the box on the real is bigger than the box on the fake, and that's something that you can clearly see. So now, enough of the boxes, let's go straight to what we really want to see, the shoes. Because right here is where we're going to focus on, because this is the most important part of this video, man. This one right here is the retail pair, and this one is the UA. So let me show you the retail. Take a look at the retail. Nice material, nice shape, solid shoe. Now let's see the competitor, the fake pair. The quality feels good. I ain't gonna lie, okay? I ain't gonna lie. The quality feels good on the fake pair as well. But how does this quality compare when we put both of the shoes side by side? Let's see. Man, I can say that even though both of these looks good, the retail have more of a tumble look. Take a look at that. You can clearly see it. This is how the texture of your retail pair should look like. Not like this. It's not bad, but it's not the correct way. So the texture of the leather is something that you can definitely use to legit check your shoe, because this is how the retail look, not like this. If you only see these, you probably think it's the real one because the quality is not bad. But no, take a closer look of how tumble the leather looks on the real pair. Then we're moving into the netting system. Take a look at the netting system on the fake, and take a look at the netting system on the real pair. You see how this one have like a better form than this one does? You see it? Let me know if you can see the difference. You know what I'm talking about? You can clearly see it like right here in this area. This one looks perfect, and this one just don't. Like, you can see it in camera. You can clearly see it in camera. So also, I think the fake pair have a lighter shade of black. It's not as dark as it is on the real pair. Let me know if you can notice that right there. You see what I'm talking about? The shade of black, like this one is more clear than the real pair is. You can clearly see that also right here on the wing. You can see how the wing on the real pair is more dark than the wing on the fake pair. And also, they don't feel the same. The fake one feels more hotter than the real pair does. The shade of gray is not the same either. You can clearly see that right there on camera. The shade of gray, take a look at the shade of gray on the eyelet. It's not the same, clearly not the same. Then let's go to the back of the shoe. And when we go to the back of the shoe, I can see that this area right here is a bit more taller than it is on the real one, slightly, not a big difference. And the stitching, you can clearly see the two lines right here on the real pair, while on the fake one, nah, the stitching job was not that well executed as it is on the real pair. Take a look at both of the Nike Airs on these shoes, and again, a lighter shade of color here on the fake than on the real pair. And let me see something. For some reason, they sound different, even though they don't feel different. But listen to this. Yeah, probably the material is not the same, even though it's crazy because they feel the same, but they don't sound the same. So keep this in mind. If someone is trying to sell you the shoes, make sure that they don't sound like this. It's crazy, I know, it's crazy. Then let's go into the tongue of the shoe. They look good and feels good, but the real pair again has more tumble texture than the fake pair does. But it's good. The tongue is good, but I just noticed that the red on the Jumpman is darker than it is on the fake one. You can clearly see it here, and also the dark, this black color here on the tone tag is darker on the real pair than it is on the fake pair. For the inside of the shoe, I can see that the real pair is more bulky than the fake pair is, and it's a good legit checkpoint right here, so pay attention to that. When we go to the netting system right here on the tongue, we can clearly see a difference. Let me know if you can notice it, because it's very, very clear to see. The shape is simply not the same. You can clearly see it. And when we go to the toe, we can see the wheel speak a lot more clear on the real pair. Right here, you can see the wheel speak here and the wheel speak here. And right here, even though it's there, because you can see it there, it's just not as clear as it is on the real pair. The leather, again, same history, good quality in both of the shoes, but it's not the same. You can see how this one is a bit more tumble than this one is. It's like a more pebble leather on the real pair than it is on the fake. So pay attention to that. Leather quality probably will be good, but it won't be the same as it is on the real pair. When we move to the midsole of the shoe, the midsole seems to be good. Again, a darker shade of red on the real pair than on the fake pair. The air unit looked good to me. Same history right here with a red color, lighter on the fake, darker on the real. So let's move on to the outsole of the shoe. Same story, I told you already about the red. Same story here with the red on the Nike branding. The cell color right here looks good. And the gray on the bottom, I think looks good as well. I don't know. Let me know if you can see any difference right there when it comes to the outsole of the shoe. What else can I show you? Because I show you a lot of differences, man. And the wheel speak, I think it's just, man, you can clearly see the difference right there. What can I say? Stitching, again, it's not as clear on the fake as it is on the real pair. One last thing, let me show you the hang tags to see if we have some differences before I go. Hang tag on the real, hang tag on the fake. The clear here where we have Nike is way more clear on the real than it is on the fake. You can see how it's not as translucent as it is on the real pair. Yes, you can also use the hang tag to legit check your shoes. Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. I show you a lot of differences between the real pair and the fake pair. I ain't gonna lie, the quality is really good on this one. Probably if you only see the fake pair, you're gonna think it's the real one, but it's not. This is how the shoe should look like. I show you everything on this one that is different on that one. So if this video was helpful for you in any way, please leave a huge like, because these videos are really hard to produce. Getting these shoes is not that easy. I mean, it's like a waste of money, because what I'm gonna do with this, you know what I'm talking about? But I have to do it for you, and I'm really happy to do it because I know I'm helping a lot of people out there, and that's the reason of this video. These videos are for educational purpose, because I don't want my people to get scammed out there. So thank you guys a lot for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and till the next one, goodbye.